professional conduct. They should be loyal to their work, their company, and that's where the loyalty to the country also comes into picture. So or where they are performing their job comes into picture. Practitioners. So these are three main points that gets covered in the code of ethics: compliance to law, commitment to honest and respectful dealings with stakeholders, which means you might deal with people from different countries, different backgrounds. You should try to be as fair to everyone as possible. Practitioners must demonstrate a commitment to professional conduct, so they should be really fair and committed to their profession as such. So not encouraging bribes or not going out of the way or do personal favors when they are on the job. So let's get into what is a project, because this is the most important terminology. What is a project? According to PMBOK, the project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Believe me, this is one important statement, and lot of questions get covered in this area of what is a project. There may be 2 or 3 questions which revolve around these terminologies within this definition of what is a project. So project is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, service, or result. So temporary here means the project has a definite beginning and ending, which means that it doesn't mean that the temporary word means the project is short, or it doesn't mean anything like temporary means short. It means that the project has a definite beginning and ending dates. There's a definite begin and end dates. That's where the temporary comes into picture. To create a unique product, service, or result. So you're trying to create a unique product, service, or result. So although the features of 2 products that have come out of a project, 2 different projects might be same, but the time frame when they were created or the team that was involved in can be totally different. Mainly the time frame. If there are 2 projects that are running at the same point of time, which is creating the same product, imagine something like that, which is sort of why do you do that is out of question at this point. But then if you're doing that, then the teams probably involved or the combination as such can be different in some one way or the other. So that's where the unique word gets its meaning. Unique product, service, or result. So the outcome of a project can be a product which is tangible, you can see it. It can be a service. The service can be anything like something that connects a society in terms of a transportation facility. A result can be a research finding, or which is not tangible, but then somebody has found out and published a finding which says so and so this A becomes B if you do this, something like that, which is a research finding. So it is not tangible, but then it's a result published by someone, and it might be useful for further analysis or to build something from there. So according to the PMBOK, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Any of these 3: tangible product, a service, or a result. Temporary here means definite beginning and ending. Unique means the context or every outcome is unique or distinct compared to something which has already been done, which has the same features, but then the time frame or the team involved, the people who are going to use it can be totally different, that combination. So that's about a project. And then the end of a project is considered to be reached when project's objectives have been achieved. There are 3 things here. The end of a project is considered to be reached when project's objectives have been achieved. Okay, the project is successful. Project's objectives cannot be met. You start off on a project and down the way the client feels or the team feels that the objectives cannot be met. So this is also an example of end of a project can be achieved. So it doesn't mean that this is not a project, but then it's just that the end cannot be met. Okay, need for the project no longer exists.